Welcome friend to my YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. Once again I am here with a very interesting question, and the question today we are having that is, in a mixture of 60 liters, the ratio of alcohol and water, that is 2:1. If this ratio is to be 1:2, then the quantity of water to be further added is, so here we have to find out the quantity of water after the ratio 1:2. So for this, the first thing which we have to do, we have to find out the quantity of alcohol and water in the current mixture, that is 60 liters. So here we are having that is mixture that is 60 liters. So this is the current mixture. So the ratio of alcohol and water in this mixture, that will be, so therefore the ratio of alcohol and water we are having, that is in the present mixture, that is 2x and 1x. So the first thing which we have to do, we have to find out the quantity of the alcohol and water. So for this we take that is 2x plus, so this is 1x, so x is equal to 60 liter. So this becomes that is 3x is equal to 60 liter, and x is equal to 60 divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 2 zeros are. So here we have just found the value of x, that is 20. Now alcohol is in the quantity, that is quantity of alcohol that is in the ratio, that is 2x, and this is, that is 2 multiplied by x, and x we are having its value, that is 20. So here we get that is 40 liters of alcohol. So this is the quantity of alcohol in the mixture, that is 60 liter. And the quantity of water, and for water, that is in the ratio, so we have just taken 1x, so that is x, and x is equal to, that is 20 liter. So here we have alcohol, that is 40 liter, and the water, that is 20 liter water. And now if you take a look in the question, so it says that if the ratio is to be 1:2, then the quantity of water to be further added is. So now to make the ratio 1:2, so the quantity of water which we have to add, so we find out the quantity of water. So for this we take, let x be the quantity of water. So we have just taken x as the quantity of water, and now we are having that is the alcohol is in the ratio, that is 40 upon, and water, that is 20. And how much quantity of water is to be added? So we have taken the quantity which we don't know, we have taken that is x, so we add x. So this is the quantity of the water to be added, and now the new ratio become, that is 1/2. I hope till here you have completely understood, and now we have just to simplify it to find out the quantity of water, that is x. So cross multiplying it, so this becomes, that is 2 multiplied by 40 is equal to 1, and this portion goes upward, becomes 20 plus x, and this becomes, that is 80 is equal to 20 plus x, and 80, and this 20 goes this side, becomes minus 20 is equal to x, and now here we get that is 80 minus 20, that is 60 is equal to x, and x here is the quantity of water which we have found. So the quantity of water to be added, that is 60 liter. So this is our answer. This 60 is the answer. So thank you very much.